Um, Hello everybody, welcome back to this video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Discord. This one's from my friend. He said, because this one is from my friend because he said he'll try to download Discord, but I'm not sure if he knows how to do it, so I'm going to be showing him and reviewers how to download Discord. So first things first, you're going to want to go to the website. Discord. Well, just search up Discord and then press download. And if you guys don't know what Discord is basically it's basically like it's like an app for gamers and stuff where you can like communicate and have service and stuff, and like you can add people in there, and then you can like talk to each other while we're playing, which is pretty awesome. And it's like way better than other apps. Well, like TeamSpeak, Skype, it's better in my opinion. But you can disagree with me. Well, I'm pretty sure I already have it downloaded. Okay, so I just downloaded it, so you're going to want to look for Discord in here. Here it is, and ignore this stuff. Okay, it's not there. Just don't ask. Do not ask. And then it should be running. Just wait for it. Unless I need to click it again. Oh, never mind. It's coming up. So you can just click out of this because we don't need it anymore. Well, it's installing in the background, but I don't know what it's doing. So it should install. See Discord right there. Right there. Super simple. Launch Discord. It's pretty simple. Like, yeah, it's that simple. It doesn't take it is not long at all. So yeah, and I hope this video will help you guys like in knowing like how to download Discord, because yeah, like other solutions and stuff. Yeah, this will help you. So I will see you guys next time. Bye. And also make sure to add me on Discord. It's Exoniaxis 05. See you guys next time.